Well, we have a beautiful but very windy day today. It rained last night and didn't look too bad. Hi, Miss Charlotte. Hi, Mama. There you go. Hi, those babies. Oh, babies are sleeping back there. Yeah. Yeah, I thought I'd come out here and check on everybody. Hi, Tater. Hi, Chubs. Hi, Pumbaa. Hi. Doesn't look like y'all got too washed out. Yeah. Not too bad. Here we go, Big John. There you go, buddy. I see you. Hi, Clyde. Miss Dolly. So on my last visit, I found out some of the sadness of farm life. I have fun coming out here and feeding the animals and seeing everything, but I don't get to see everything. But when I came out here the other day to check on Miss Charlotte and the babies and everybody, I counted 4 babies, and I said that the 5th was probably in the house somewhere, and I found the 5th baby, and it didn't make it, and it was sad. It was sad, but that's farm life at its fullest, I guess, because they're not all gonna make it. Hi. But you do the best you can for the ones that do. Yes. Yeah. And you move on. Yeah. Hi. Hi, my spoiled babies. Yes, my spoiled babies. Hi, ducks. There you go. So I saw some of the sadness of farm life. It had me a little bummed, but I'm back to see everybody. Alright, come here, let me get to Big John. Oh, that's a horn. There you go. Here you go, buddy. Hi, Tater, one more. Yep. Whoop. There you go. Alright, no, y'all have eaten almost everything. Yeah. Uncle Philip is probably yelling at the screen, you don't have enough carrots for everybody. Yeah. But we'll make do with what we've got, huh? Yes, we will. Dolly. Hi, Mr. Clyde. Would you like some Cheerios? Clyde. Nope, not gonna look at me. There you go. Oh, I hear them inside. I was just wondering where the turkeys were. But I hear them inside. So anyway, Miss Charlotte has 4 babies, and I got some videos of them out the other day when it was sunny and warm. And I'll try to remember to pop them in this video so you can see them. Hi, ladies. Hi. Hi. There you go. I see turkeys. Hi. Hi, Weber. All right, ladies. Come on. Let's go over here and see Miss Bonnie. Let's go see Miss Bonnie. Y'all are getting so big. Yes, you are. You're getting so big. All right, watch out. Hold on. Hold on. Watch the babies. I'm coming, Miss Bonnie. Slowly but surely. I'm trying not to step on anybody. There you go. Oh, you're alone today. Good. Alright, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Alright, watch out for babies. Watch out for babies. Hello, boys. Go. I promise I'll get you, Rocky. There you are, little man. Nibbler. Alright. Alright, ladies. Alright. Hold on. Come here, Meredith. There you go. Alright, there you go, boys. And pigs. Oh, yeah, I knew I had plenty. Yeah. Woo! I have an idea. Might be a bad idea. But we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. There you go. Excuse me. Excuse me. I'm hoping while they're over here, I can grab you. Oh, it's somebody else wants to join us. Hi! Look at this big old area. Yeah. Look Looky here, Weber. Looky here. Yeah, you might not like it because you're away from your mama. You're okay. Come on, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Are you talking to your mama? Huh? Okay, okay. I won't stress you. I just thought it might be fun to see if you would walk around. Yeah. He's right here, Mama. He's right here. He's right here. What you think? What you think? You want to walk around? Huh? Nope, you're gonna holler for Mama? Okay. Alright, come on. We'll go see Mama. There you go. We're back. Okay. We're back. Hey. No, ma'am. We're back. There's your Mama. I brought him back. Yeah, I brought him back. I need to go grab a bag of straw. Yeah. Hi there. Hi, Kepner. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. Well, I thought with Weber being the oldest and him loving his Aunt Jamie so much that he might be the one that would go out there. But I guess you're too young. You just can't be away from your mama yet. Even if you have your Aunt Jamie. Ow! You biting me on the arm? Yeah? You biting me? Oh my goodness. Come here. Y'all are rotten. Yeah, y'all are rotten. Hi, Bailey. Hi, Bailey. Hi, little Gray. Hi. Hi, Bailey. Come here. You couldn't see me? You were scratching on me, so you couldn't see me. Here we go. Your sister is biting on my leg. Yeah, she's biting on my leg. See? I'm sweet. I'm sweet. I'm not scary. Yeah. I'm not scary. What is it? Did you lose your mama? She's not in there. She's out here. Come here, Bello. There she is. Oh, you're not Bello, you're Kepner. Get y'all mixed up. Oh my goodness. Hi, Andrew. Come here, buddy. Come here. Boys, y'all still scared of them pigs? Yeah? Hi there. How are you? Oh, you want to snuggle? You want to snuggle up under my chin? I got somebody else scratching on me. Oh, it's just you. It's just you. Oh, sorry. Hi, Weber. Come here, buddy. Mama's keeping an eye on me now. Mama's keeping an eye on me. Making sure I don't run off with her little boy. Yeah. I'm right here, Mama. Hey, mamas. Y'all be sweet. Now your sister is chewing on me. Yeah, Bailey's down there on me. surrounded. I can feel them. Ugh. There he is. He's all good. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here. Come see me. Yeah, how you doing, Avery? How you doing? You enjoying the warmth? It's nice being so warm. It's gonna get a little cold tonight, and then it's gonna warm up again. Yeah. Enjoying the warm weather this year. Sweet boy. Yes, you are. Mama's still right here next to me. Yeah. Right here next to me. I got him. Yeah, I got him. Turkey's trying to take a nap. He's biting on my boot. Andrew's biting on my boot. There he is, Mama. Andrew, you biting on my boot? Look at you, Bailey. Look at you. Come here. Come here. Oh, I can't get you. There we go. There we go. There we go. Hi. Hi. Hey, big boy, you get your butt back in there. You get back over there where you're supposed to be. We don't need any more goat babies. We've got plenty. We're a little infested. Huh. Yeah, we got plenty. We got plenty. You're biting on me. Why are you biting on me? Oh, you're so sweet. I got her, Mama. She's right here. I'm not taking her nowhere. I'll wait till they get older. Yeah, I'll wait till they get older. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. What was that? What was that? Three Musketeers. Yep. We got Weber and Kepner and Avery. Oh, goodness. Are you spitting? Are you spitting? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to stress you out. Yeah, I didn't mean to stress you out. Hi. Hi, Andrew. Hi. How are you? She's about to figure out to turn off her baby. Hi, Avery. Oh, my goodness. Uh-huh. Be sweet. Y'all be sweet. Alright, Avery. You want to do the honors? Because I need to go and get you some straw before it gets to be a muddy mess down here. Okay, we'll see you on the next one.